What's the meaning of Adrian Mole? Adrian Mole. Adrian Mole. Adrian Mole. Adrian Mole. Adrian Mole. Adrian Mole is the titular character from a series of comedic novels written by British author Sue Townsend. The books follow his life from age 13 and chronicle his awkward teenage years, as well as his struggles with family, school, and relationships. Adrian's diaries are known for their wit, satire, and humor in portraying everyday life in 1980s Britain. The series has been adapted into a television show, stage play, radio drama, and even a musical. Overall, Adrian Mole has become a cultural icon and a symbol of adolescent angst and humor.